Area Troy salute to they welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk about how you see Fulham 2 and Chelsea 1. And we get Oga Shinedu we be like, now go get Chelsea fan, make on tell us about how you see this game. Oga Shinedu for 9 games for all competitions. Chelsea don't get only 1 win. Now how you see this kind doings when your club they deliver right now?
The performance very poor. The coach not get, not get match tactics. The more they lose, the more they behave anyhow. The owner of the club, you know what sack the man. The man, if they lose, it about they make changes. They do swag. The more the team they go, this team will go relegate too. But poor government not relegate. The man need to take action. We the Chelsea fan, we don't worry. Each team that they get problem, but this one is worse. We need better coach. We get boys go deliver. Better coach, the boys go deliver for us. Many if the coach not say nothing work for the team, may go. They don't keep on the put. This team, Chelsea not a big team for Europe. If you talk top 3 for England, Chelsea dey inside. We don't carry Champions League. We dey deliver back to back. Straight 9 match, 1 win, 8 lose. It don't make sense now. So the team need to improve. May they change coach. We Chelsea fan, we not today worried. Always say that our match, we refer to watch match again. It doesn't work like that now. We to go watch match now, they see today match now. If they play one, you get red card. You see some player not get card, make changes on the game. Now when they lose 2-1, you want correct error. We 10 man down. And Chelsea now, once they don't take down for game now, to equalize win match now, the performance is very poor. The Chelsea one know of the Frank Lampard, the Joao, the Michael Ballack, not be the same Chelsea now. The team now, it don't change. So they need to improve more. I want to have you talk on the match with that.
So to you now, because I don't follow some Chelsea fan talk. Some of them say no be coach be problem, now players be problem. Say injuries, many things they will be the problem. But to you now, you think so that the coach be problem or not be the coach?
Injury there we know, but the coach we get Chukwuemeka. You sign some striker, boost striker for the game. Abumayang, we know say Abumayang for now. He dey weak. Joshua Fofana bring up for the game. Chukwuemeka dey. The SCH dey. You can use Matt. You can use them. Albert can play supporting striker. You can put them that Fofana there. You just dey put. You know when you make changes. See the changes you make now. You dey put Kokorela for game and you dey lose. Instead of it to attack in the defense, it doesn't work that way.
So Oga Shinedu, before I will let you go now, I want to ask you about one player we're making debut today, Joao Felix, we come from Atletico Madrid. Now 6-month loan deal, and Chelsea pay over 11 million euros for just sign-on fee for that loan deal. Now, how you see the player performance today for this performance?
Joao Felix is amazing today. Minus the red card, the boy play ball. When Joao Felix come over the game, Chelsea play no feel ball. When Joao Felix dey the game, at least we get attempts. And if you look at the attempt we get for first and now Joao Felix get them. So when he not dey the game now, so all the players just feel relaxed and they play with it in their mind. It doesn't work that way. I say Bio, Joao Felix is try. We don't minus the red card sef. The boy play ball today. We'll clap on the boy. Try. We signed a team for yesterday. Only yesterday they do training. Today he never play with the team, but when they play perfectly fine, then he wants to get out. Other like the Jorginho, the Shaloba, Koloba, they don't know somebody play match. I don't know somebody bench. I say Bio, brother.
So where you feel predict say Chelsea go finish by the end of the season with what you see now?
If the player they come back for injury and they change coach, Chelsea be too much and Europa League go play.
I thought it go be
That's it go be.
All right, now, guys. Because the people now lawyer boy across where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.